Hi, I'm Mark, and thanks for taking time to check us out. We've been buying houses in Kansas City and the surrounding areas for the last 14 years. And we buy fast, we buy as is, no repairs needed, no commissions, no appraisals, no clean out needed, just be done and walk away. But what we're really excited to offer our sellers is customized options that really focus on what they're needing to accomplish in their particular situation. And as an example, I'm standing in a house here on Main Street in Independence. Tenants have just recently vacated, and the seller had it listed with an agent, and they had not been able to sell it traditionally. And so she turned to us, and we were able to structure a transaction that worked very well for her. And you can actually go to our reviews page and hear from Miss Eden herself what it was like working with us. And also you can go to our How It Works page and find out exactly how we work on how we structure, how we calculate the offer that we make to you. So if you look at those and everything looks good, and then just go ahead and fill out one of the forms on this page or throughout our website, and I will look forward to speaking with you then. Thanks.